Hello, welcome back to Let's Create with me, Rosalie. Today I am thinking of doing a flip cup onto this little canvas, and it's an 11 by 14. Purchased it at Walmart. It's a Daler Rowney, and it comes in a 2-pack. So I figure I'll just play with one today, because I've never done a flip cup before. Actually, it's not, well, I am going to flip it, but I'm thinking I'm just going to put the paint down and then raise the cup up. Let's see. Well, we shall see. So today for my colors, there's naturally my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. For some odd reason, there's like some kind of little things in there, little niblets of something, paint I guess, and so I strained it. And I have my kale from Color Shot, which I purchased at Home Depot. I have Art Minds Peridot, Deco Art Metallic Emerald, Pebeo Iridescent Green Yellow, Art Minds Moss Green, Art Minds Artist Loft Metallic Leaf Green, Folk Art Green Flash, Art Alchemy's Golden Moss, Deco Art Americana in Satin called Leprechaun, and Winsor and Newton Sap Green. Then there's going to be my Deco Art Matte Metallic Gold, and I'm gonna put a little bit of this Deco Art Metallic in Soft Silver. So I taped the back, even though it's just an inexpensive canvas from Walmart. I like my my backs taped and clean, and plus I never know if I'm going to resin it or not, so I'd much prefer that the tape is there just in case I do decide to resin. So I'm gonna spray the back with water first to help tighten up the canvas, because it is pretty loose. There, it sounds more like a drum now. I'm going to put in my white first. Then I'm just going to layer my colors on top of that white. That's the kale. This is the peridot, and I'm kind of going like dark light, something like that. And somewhere in between these dark light is gonna, gold and silver will go in. Gnats are attracted to the Floetrol in the paints. Okay, I'm gonna put a smidgen of silver in this. Just a smidgen. And this is the moss green. Make sure when you're getting ready to close these back up, make sure you clean the tips because you don't want dried paint there. Okay, it's good. And I did shake all this paints prior because they've been sitting on my shelf. This is my golden moss. This golden moss is such a beautiful, beautiful color from Art Alchemy. I'm going to put my matte metallic in there now. Oh, the gold one. The matte metallic and gold. Then I am going to put the Leprechaun. It is such a beautiful green color. And the last time I used this Winsor Newton sap green, it leaked on me. So I am going to pop the lid, take the lid off, and just do it like that. Cheap bottles, never buy them. Put a little bit more of my gold. If you guys haven't tried these matte metallics by DecoArt, you are missing out on something. Okay, I'm gonna separate them with my white again. Just layering. And start all over again. I think it's almost like a triple decker. And these paints, even though I set them up to be for Dutch pour, I leave them thick until I'm ready to do the Dutch pour. Then I'll put them in a little cup and thin them out with water. So my paints are only mixed with Floetrol. There's no water, no silicone whatsoever. So there's the kale, the peridot, now the emerald. This by DecoArt, the emerald. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of silver here. Okay, then there's the iridescent green yellow. Mine's moss green. Metallic leaf green. And I'm gonna put my metallic gold in. Then the green flash. Mine's golden moss. Okay. DecoArt satin leprechaun. I think I'll put a little bit of smidgen of silver there. And then the sap green. The gold. Okay. let me pause you so I can put away these paint, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Before I paused, I forgot to say put a layer of the white on top. Now, I'm pretty sure this is a lot of paint for this little itty bitty canvas, but oh well, that's okay. So I'm gonna tip this. Yay, I did it. Let it come down first. And I didn't spray the cup with any silicone at all. So there's totally no silicone in this. I don't know how far this paint's gonna go, but oh well, I'm experimenting. It's my first time doing this. And I was thinking of doing the 12 by 12, but I said, let me try it first with this 11 by 14. Just in case it doesn't work out, I don't ruin a really nice 12 by 12. So let us see. Are we ready? Drum roll, please. Here we go. Oh, and 1, 2, 3. Kablob. Ooh, ooh. Look at can you see the inside the cup? Isn't that pretty? Ooh, look at that. So I'm going to follow the weight of my paint. Looks like it wants to go this way first. Oh, that is so pretty. Let's center it again. Let's go this way. Can you see me? Ooh, that is nice. Bring it back to the center. Let me go to the upper left corner. Back to the center. Oh, hate to lose these cells over here. They're so pretty. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some color right here. So I'll try not to lose too much of those. One thing about me, I get paint everywhere. Oh, I'm gonna lose some anyway. Aww. Okay. Let's center it. This way a little. Okay, let me take a look-see. I think there's still a little bit too much paint in this. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go onto the top right-hand corner. Just a little bit. Yeah, actually there's not as much paint as I thought. But I'm still gonna let a little bit more go. There we go. Now back to the center. Oh, okay. I am done. It is beautiful. I am going to remove my gloves, and then I'm going to torch and then bring you down. Actually, I need to look. I get I get paint everywhere on me. Get some baby wipes. That's why baby wipes are a must. It helps you clean your utensils, the art utensils that you use. It helps clean you. Okay, let me torch. Then I'll pause you and bring you in for a close up. Okay, here it is. Look at the metallic gold right there. And the emerald is showing. That corner. It's beautiful. Look at that. I'm getting more cells as it's sitting here. And I see a Loki hair. Loki gets everywhere. Where is it? There it is. Oh, can you see it? A Loki hair. He gets into everything. He's laying down beside me. Well, I hope you like this little small painting of mine. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Click like and subscribe. And all my information, if you want to purchase any of my paintings, coasters, and clocks, just let me know. My information are listed in the description below, and I'll try to list all the paint colors that I used on this. Okay? Until next time, bye!